Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to draw a very popular Christmas food, and that is ham. So to start with ham, we want to begin with kind of like an oval shape. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up. It's going to go around, and you want it to be a little bit bigger at the top, and then as it comes back down, just kind of get a little bit more pointy. Now, starting right here, I want to make the top of the ham. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and then it's going to kind of go out like this. Then, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go across, and then it's going to kind of curve up, and then I'm going to go back to here. I want it to kind of come up above this little line right there. Now, starting right here in the center, I'm just going to make a little circle like this. And then I'm going to draw a smaller circle on the inside, kind of like a little bone of the ham. Then, right around here, I'm just going to kind of redraw the same shape of that oval, but I'm going to leave some little broken lines in here. Just like this, just kind of all the way around, just leave some little broken lines. Now, lots of times people cook hams with a pineapple and a cherry. So, starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes up. It's going to go down, and then go back down like this. And then I'm going to put a little circle on top of it for the cherry. And then on this pineapple part, I'm just going to put a couple little lines so it looks more like a pineapple. Now, hams have these kind of like little X patterns on them. So starting here, I'm just going to kind of follow the curve of the ham, and I'm just going to make some little curved lines that kind of go down like this. Put one more right there. And then I'm going to draw a few at the bottom, like they're kind of coming up, just not quite touching. Then I'm just going to draw some little kind of curved lines like this that just go right across. And these are just going to make it some little X's like that. Now, we want to put our ham on a plate. So I'm just going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw some kind of bumpy little lines like this, just to make it look like it's kind of being served on like lettuce or something like that, just, to make it a little bit more fancy. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go out, it's going to curve around, and then come back over here for a plate. And then I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of repeat that same pattern, and it's just going to curve up here to make the bottom of the plate. And there you go, there is your drawing of a ham. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.